Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be discussing the topic functions. First of all, I'll say that functions is very important as well as interesting topic. If you listen this by keeping all your interest, okay, then this is the most easiest topic. Okay, and this is implemented everywhere. It's not like just you will be using it for academic purpose and all. You'll be using this in higher studies, like if you go in third year, fourth year, you'll be coming to know about data structures and algorithms as well as competitive coding. So when you will be implementing those without functions, you won't be implementing that. So don't think that you'll be studying this only for academic point of view and all. You should study this by understanding how we are implementing functions. What is the use of using what is the use of functions, everything, as well as in the view of academic purpose also you can write the definition, and I'll be explaining you this topic from scratch to advance. So in today's video, just a brief knowledge about functions. So let us start with the introduction part. So starting with introduction, what is function? First of all, it is a block of code used to perform some particular task, and that task can be performed several times. So first of all, we'll be understanding it word by word. First of all, what we said is block of code. So this is a block of code. Some lines of code also you can say, used to perform some particular task. So as we know, when we write a code, we will be having a problem statement, right? Suppose I'll be giving you a problem statement like add sum of two numbers. So here your task is to perform summation of two numbers. So in this block of code, we'll be having some task to perform, some activity, and it is performed several times. So when I say you write a code, okay, so you'll be writing it for only one input, right? But when we will implement functions, you can perform this task several number of times. Like you can perform addition of two numbers 100 of times by calling this block of code. Suppose we have a TV remote. In TV remote, as we know, we have different buttons. One is to on the TV, one is to change channel, one is to one is to mute the video. But as we know, here in terms of code, suppose here logic is written one time. What is the logic to on the television? Okay, suppose we are considering in terms of coding. So here, as we know, code is written only once, but we are performing the activity several number of times. Like to on the TV, we are performing some action. If we want to change the channel, we'll be using one button. Okay, again if we want to change another channel, like we'll be doing the same activity several number of times. So here we have reusability. In the sense, we'll be writing once but can be used several number of times. So for better understanding, we'll be looking by taking some example. Just now understand reusability, written once but can be called several number of times. Suppose now I'm considering C language in this video. So here we have a main function. Okay, this is main function, and this is our function which we are considering here. Okay, so here it is a block of code in which we'll be performing some task, and here logic is written like sum of two numbers and all, whatever logic if you want to perform. Next we'll be considering, I'll be explaining you how it is useful in this video. Just a brief knowledge, nothing more than that. Suppose we have written a big code In that we have performed multiple operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication. Okay, suppose we have a code written. In I'm considering three functions. This is function 1, it is for addition, function 2 for subtraction, function 3 for multiplication. Okay, let's read this statement. If some error occur in addition, then it would be very difficult task to find error. Suppose in this code some error occurred in this part, addition part. So it would be difficulty to find the code in the whole code. It would become a difficulty to find the error. So what is the solution to this? If we used function and wrote a block of code, this is code for addition and another block for subtraction and another block for multiplication, then it would be easy to find error in that block where error occurred. No need to check other blocks. As I said, function is nothing but a block of code. So this is one function and it consists of block of code. Second function, third function. Suppose when you write some code in this block and you made some error, might be compilation error. So when you run this code, you'll be getting some error, right? So when compilation happen, when in the compilation, if you find error in the addition part, it is not necessary for you to check the whole code starting from here, main function. You'll be checking error in this part only. Okay, you won't be checking here, right? So it helps you to find the error very easily. We considered our advantages as reusability, written once, called several times, and second is checking error. It becomes very easy to find out error. Okay, so here I considered very small code. Okay, it consists like only 3 functions, but you'll be having many functions. You can use number of functions and it becomes very easy for you to find errors and to implement reusability, everything. So just I explained you what is function, what is the advantages, but to implement we should understand the syntax, implementation in programs and everything. So in the upcoming videos I'll be explaining you the syntax, types of functions. So stay tuned and thank you for watching. Bye.